Hi guys, so today I just have one item to show you that just came in. It's, I believe, an Autoship, a die press Autoship from the Grand Marquise? I think so. I know a few Autoships have been going out, but I think that's what this is here. So again, an Autoship means it's brand new. We got it ahead of time if you're in the Autoship, if they have any extras, and so they don't normally have them on the site for sale right now. But if they do, or if something's in the Autoship program, I'll link that for you guys. That would be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And yeah, and some chit chat, I suppose. Sorry, I heard an emergency vehicle and I decided to just open this package while that was going. Yeah, okay, so, a question. I have a question for you guys, because if you're going to, I guess they're calling it Spring Create, Anna Griffin Spring Create. It should be Crop at Home 6, but maybe they're trying to get away from the cropping part. I don't know, I hope not. That's why I do this one. I really like the scrapbooking aspect of it. But anyway, someone left me a comment saying that this year, or she hasn't seen that they're having the beautiful instructions like they did in the years past. Actually, let me grab one. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna grab one because I've been asked by Anna Griffin, whenever we were doing the creates, sometimes I'll make videos and kind of show you guys like where to find your downloads and those kinds of things. They're like, oh, can you please take those down? Because they say it's a private thing. Obviously people are paying for that access, but even the book, I mean, I'm not gonna just sit here and show it to you, but anyway, the full color instruction with all kinds of step by step and all these things. A subscriber just left me a comment saying that they're not doing it that way this year, and that it's just no picture, it doesn't have pictures, it doesn't have a lot of step by step, but just a lot of verbiage, right? Just reading through the instruction. So I did leave a comment for that person saying, because I've been on Swapcard already, and generally they don't release the actual full instructions until a few days before the event, sometimes a week before, but usually, I mean, in the past, the very, very far past, the first ones, it was only a couple days before, but they do give you a cutting guide, and the cutting guide is kind of boring, right? It's more just cut this, so I don't know. I mean, they do have some pictures, I guess, but it's not as nice as your full color instructions, and I love those instructions. That's one of the reasons I keep coming back, because obviously you have the video, you're going to keep going back to it, but the video doesn't really depict everything, right? Or written out, right? So I hope that's not the case, and I hope what the person is looking at is that, because honestly, when you click on, get ready for your classes or prepare for classes, if you got into Swapcard, it's going to be over on the right. It's a longer tab. It's really long on the right, and then it has a bunch of little things like welcome and agenda and whatever, shop, and different little tabs in the middle of the page. This is over on the right. You're going to click on it. It's going to bring you to a playlist here on YouTube, and it's a, unlisted playlist, or private, I guess. Either way, you can only get in there if you have the link for it. And then she walks you through. There'll be videos, which I've literally never watched because I just never get ahead of get ready for it. But I know in there she walks you through the classes and what you need to have ready if you just want to pop things on, right? Obviously if there's a technique, you're going to see that in the class, but you're gonna have everything cut and ready to go, or out in front of you, or however. So that is boring. If you download that, it's just instruction, and it doesn't look like anything super. So hopefully that's what this person's referring to, and it's not that it's just gonna be boring. But if you guys know that already, that hey, the instructions are gonna be very pared down, let me know, because maybe that's what they've said. I don't know. That would be a real bummer, because especially because they usually sell the instructions later and they're $100, $80, $60. It depends on the thickness and what, I guess in the past they were $60 and they've gone up to $100. So that would be a bummer, real bummer. But again, I went on Swapcard this morning specifically to see about that, and I don't see anywhere where you can download the class instructions yet. So maybe I'm looking in the wrong place, but usually I'm the one showing you guys where to find them. But hey, if it's in a different spot, you let me know, okay? But generally you go under each class, under the agenda, class 1, click on that, and then just under there's going to be a place where you can download materials, as they call it, or class instruction, or whatever they're calling the tab at that point. So I don't see it. But let me know. Oh, another one. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just, I haven't shown it to Miranda because she's going to take it. I'm sure she'll put a little doll. She has tons of little dolls, but this is so cute. If you guys haven't seen it, from Tonic Studios, their Cradle, check it out if you want to see the video. I know I worked on it a little bit late. I didn't realize I had this kit, and I was like, oh no, it already launched like a week ago. But it was really fun to put together. I had a really fun time with it. And look how sturdy it is. It's just so cute, you guys. I gave you some different comments on there on how to make it a little better. Maybe, you know, with these pieces, these end caps, and I kind of came up with my own sizing to make it short instead of this tall cradle that they have. But, you know, super cute. So if you guys want to check out that video, please go to my channel. You can just click on my face down there and go to the channel and check it out. What else? Oh, one other thing. I had asked you guys about Crafters Companion did put out their, or did do their classes. Let me see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I had no idea. I missed it. I wasn't there. I didn't make any videos about it. Let me know what you guys think. I should probably go and watch the videos now, you know, because it's like a private thing you can click on to go watch them. But I was kind of looking at the images of what we were going to make, and I was like, that's probably okay. I'll try to catch up another time. But I did like maybe one of the classes, like the example that we're supposed to be making. So, or maybe I'll make videos on my own and see what we can do with the same kit. I don't know. You guys let me know. But all I know is I missed it. So next time it comes up, you guys let me know, okay? Say, hey, did you get the email? Have you been looking at your email? So I don't miss the class, but I totally missed it. Anyway, let's get to this. Die Press, it says background or backpack. GRD, I don't even know. It just has a bunch of letters, guys. So let's check this out. So yeah, this is, again, an auto ship. That means it's not available yet. Sometimes Die Press themselves will have auto ship like extras available on their own site, but most of the time it goes to HSN, and hopefully you'll see it there. Which reminds me, yes, I guess Die Press did put out an email, and I had no idea about this, that QVC has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy or whatever, the one that you reorganize. I don't know if it's 11-7, it doesn't matter. But they're gonna, you know, reorganize their business structure. I don't know what that means, but I hope they keep the crafts going. I'm assuming crafts hopefully is a big thing. If you don't know, QVC owns HSN and like Zulily and a bunch of other little companies. So, well, those aren't little, but a bunch of other companies. So hopefully everything comes out okay on our end, you know, who knows? But yeah, we will see. So in case you guys know any information about that, let me know. I love to read the comments. Even if I don't respond, guys, there's just a lot of comments, but I do see them. So like a lot of times if I don't have a moment to type, because I'd rather type like this than on my phone, you know, I've read it and then I just don't get back to it, and I'm very sorry about that. So please leave comments, but just understand if I don't respond, it's not because I don't want to, it's just I didn't at that moment, and then it just keeps going. And that's the same for people who are on the Anna Griffin swap card for Create Spring Create. I can't get that. CAH6, all right? Crop at Home 6. If you want to be a networking partner, put in a network request or whatever. I think that's what they call it, networking. I couldn't remember the other day when I was doing the unboxing. And thanks for being at the unboxing, guys. I know that was short, last minute, and, you know, I only had like maybe 50, 60 people in the chat. Nice cozy chat we had. And then after that, you know, there were over 1,000 views. So that's really nice. But I love when you guys are there and chatting. So I'm sorry I didn't put out enough info on that, or time on that. But it had just arrived in the evening and I was like, yay! So the next morning we were opening that up, you know. But yeah, so if you go into swap card and you find me by my name, Vianney, V-A-N-N-E-Y, and last name is Luna. I think I'm under Vianney Luna. I don't think it's under VianneyCreates, but people find me, so I will accept your request and then we can chat. Okay, so let's see what this is about. It looks like it makes a backpack, and this is so cute. Again, this die is going to fit in your Grand Marquise, so I'll give you the measure on the biggest die, but like I said, it's not like you can pick this up right now, but it's just under 10 inches and like 6 1/8 in the other direction. So it's going to make this backpack with this large die right here. You can have the gussets and everything. I love that. It's just the one piece and you're going to fold it and you're good to go, right? But there's going to be a lot of decoration, I suppose, of that. So you have your die sets, some extra ones here. I see a little bottle of glue there. We have this is just an unboxing, guys, because the next thing is May 12th, HSN has a craft day, and I believe Die Press has the Today's special is what you guys told me. You know, I get things in from like Diamond Press or like LDS Creative, and I really don't open it until closer to the time because I don't really want to look at things. I just want to open it and use it and not overthink things. So I had no idea. So if you guys are telling me that they have the Today's Special, awesome. I will have a video for you guys or several videos. A lot of times with the Today's Special, I usually make more than one video depending on what it is. If there's different, you know, a lot of times Diamond Press puts out these huge kits, right? And then it's like maybe a collaboration with Beth. I have no idea. So thanks for letting me know. I will check that out. So I can see that there are cute little like watercolor palettes, a little calculator, a notebook. Oh, one of those rulers that you have with like the protractor kind of thing, right? Those funky rulers. Lots of rulers, pencils, pens, a lot of sentiments on that one. I love, you know, we love a cute little notebook, little curly cues and things, stack of books, a big pencil, apple, big ruler, and lots of sentiments. So we have those, and then the stencils. And it looks like we have stencil for the apple, a couple different layers. Oh, this is so cute. I love this stencil. The one with just the alphabet. That's adorable. And then pencil, it says. So let's see what we have here. Again, cutting that out and then decorating it, right, to make it look super cute. Oh, you can make a little pocket on there. That's cute. Or it looks like a pocket. It's a faux pocket. So decorate it first, and then you obviously make your little cute things. I just said it's a faux pocket, which that's not true. It does cut a slit, so there you go. It is a pocket. And it makes a cute little bag. It looks like a little backpack, right? And then you can also use it to make cards. So that's what they're showing you here, that maybe you want to just do a little background. The little guy, which we'll look at in a moment, and then cute right here with the different pens and pencils, or pencils, I guess they're all pencils. And they show you here how to put the little backpack together. That is adorable. I love that it has, you know, just a few pieces, but it makes a very cute item. And then the different stamps that they showed you there. The stencil with the stamp. And very cute. There's your pencil. That's, I guess there's a stamp. Yeah, the big pencil here. And then you can do the stenciling, which is adorable. I will say, if you do something like this and you're using hybrid inks, be very careful because they will sometimes reactivate. If you're using hybrid ink and then you come in to ink it up with a hybrid ink, it's going to like pick up the color. It's going to smudge. Which is kind of weird, right? I guess whatever the hybrid ink it has in it, because you're supposed to be able to use water and alcohol ink. So why does a water-based product like that come back in and pick it up? But maybe the pigment of it is what starts smearing. I don't know. Either way, like pigment on pigment, maybe that's why it starts picking up. Be careful with that. So if you're using a hybrid ink, definitely use a water-based ink when you go to do your stenciling, or just be super careful with it. Like you don't want to be smudging. You can kind of just lightly do it. It'll pick up. It'll reactivate. And then those are the sentiments there. You want to pause there. All right, guys. Well, I had a lot to chat about. And I hope you're all doing well. I know all kinds of little sicknesses and illnesses going on right now, and allergies, and spring has finally hit here. It felt like summer, but now it's very springy and very overcast sometimes, and windy, and just that wind with the pollen everywhere. And, we have black cars, so they're just like yellow. It's crazy. And then your Autoship always comes with the large pocket with the little label. I guess one other thing I can say is Diamond Press did just put out some new items on their site, so you can check those out. I did do an unboxing video and played with it a little bit with some of the new items. I have some Hero Arts videos still to release that are in regard to their new items, their collections. Obviously, Spellbinders, everyone's releasing their collections, right? So have fun. Check those out if you like. I will definitely try to use my stash more again with those kinds of videos. I know there's going to be a little break here, right, going into May, but I have to get those videos ready. But May 12th is the next HSN Craft Day, so I should have some space here to just, poke around here and see what I got, and we can throw something together with our stash, right? So thanks for watching, guys. I will have links as appropriate if there's anything. I don't know. I haven't seen any of the overstock on these things on HSN, to be honest. Any of these larger Grand Marquis kits, but you never know. So if there are, they might be embedded in the video here. Again, you can always check out Diamond Press's website themselves. It's mydiamondpress.net. That's their new website. I think before it was .com. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.